Sir manyien tok tieko chenro mar pi mar omenda maromo shillings $375 e kambi mar Kenanie Leather Industrial Park mayudore Athi River e kaunti ma Machakos. Chenro mar pi no igeno ni biro keyo pi ne kambi mar piende ka en kod nyalo mar keyo pi lita $3.5 pile ka pile. Koya wayanga chenro makamano jagore migawo mar pi Julius Korir wacho ni chenro no biro medo nyinyo ne piende rito kembego kaachiel kod chuogo tije ne ojende. Jotelo mamoko bende osiro chenro no ka giwacho ni obiro konyo oganda modak machiegni kod kambino e yudo pi ma gitiyogo e chenro margi mapile.
An industrial park that will transform Kenya leather sector is now becoming a reality. Number two is that dream needed enablers, roads, electricity, water. And I'm here now to provide the water.
We have a pipeline of 25 kilometers. We have an additional 5.5 kilometers internally where the leather park is. And the designs for this particular pipeline is able to command up to 3,000 cubic a day. We still have a bit of challenges, and we are here with our colleagues from Athi so that we see how we can increase that volume, because the current volume is about 700 a day, but we want to increase that to 3,000, which is the design of the project.
Wamepeana fedha kwa hii factory ndio watu wa area hii wafanye uso on development na wapate maji. Wamekuwa wamehangaika miaka nyingi sana, hata akaweka bidii akaweka lami hapa, kwa sababu hata tunajua development hapa ameinuka economically, watu wa area hii wameinuka kwa sababu ya hii maji.
And I'm sure in the very near future Machakos is going to be self-sufficient in terms of water and sewer. And I also want to appreciate that people must know that we have 48 governments in one, and that is becoming a reality.